Morning Math 9s, we're doing 2.1 modeling squares and cubes. So some key terms, power is a short way of writing repeated multiplication. So an example of this would be 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 2, and it's been multiplied 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 2 to the 3. So a couple of terms. The base is the number that's being multiplied, and the exponent is how many times it gets multiplied. And the entire thing is called a power. So the base is the number that's being multiplied, and the exponent is how many times it gets multiplied. So let's complete the table here. So this cube has side length of 7 millimeters. So the power is 7 to the 1. The area of the front face is 7 times 7, which is 49 millimeters squared. So the power is written as 7 squared. The volume, if you remember, volume is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, so that's going to be 7 times 7 times 7, which is 343 millimeters cubed, or you could write it as 7 to the power of 3. This cube has side length 5 meters. So the power is 5 with exponent 1 meters. The area is 5 times 5, which is 25 meters squared, or you could write that as the power of 5 with the exponent 2 because it's being squared. And the volume is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 cubed meters cubed, and the power is base 5 exponent 3. Sorry, this should be 125 meters cubed, but the power is written as 5 to the exponent 3. The last one we have here is the cube with side length 3 centimeters. So the front face is 3, and the power is 3 to the 1. The area is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters squared, and the power is base 3 exponent 2. And the volume is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 centimeters cubed, and the power is base 3 exponent 3. So perfect squares are any number, the same number multiplied by itself. So 2 times 2 is an example. That's 2 squared. 3 times 3, that would be 3 squared. 4 times 4, that's 4 squared. So on and so forth. 17 times 17, that's the same as 17 squared. And perfect cubes are the same number multiplied by itself 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 cubed, which is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 cubed, which is 27, and so on and so forth. So on the back page of your notes, there's a whole bunch of try these. So give them a go, and you can check your answers after.